Welcome back to my channel. Shout out to BNLink for another amazing product. This is their outdoor power strip yard stake timer. Setup was pretty simple. You want to assemble your stake and attach your stake to the bottom of your device. With this device, I am able to transform my outdoor outlet from 2 to 6. Now the yard stake is also weatherproof. We're going to plug it in. The 6-inch cord is perfect for my outdoor needs. Now we're going to mount our device. We now have 6 grounded outlets that are weatherproof and ready to use. We have 3 in the front and 3 in the back. After mounting your device, the next step is to set your operating mode. Now there are 7 operating modes. The coolest of them all is the Dusk till Dawn. Now this yard stake operates using a light sensing photocell, which enables the Dusk till Dawn mode. You also have the timing modes where you have 2, 4, 6, and 8. At the bottom of your stake, you have an overload protection switch. Now we're going to set the device to on. I'm going to use it with my power washer. So we're going to plug in the power washer. And we're going to give it a try. Now I ran my power washer for about an hour. And I had no issues, absolutely no issues. It worked perfectly fine. Seriously, if you have not checked out BNLink products, you need to. They have so many indoor and outdoor products. They're amazing. And if you're interested in purchasing this product, like always, I'm going to provide a link down below. And check out BNLink Amazon storefront. They have so many cool products. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.